What's up, everybody? And what's up, Ruby?
What's up?
You ready to make some food?
Yes. My hair look.
Your hair looks great, so you don't belong on the channel. How does my hair look?
Silly.
What are we gonna make today?
Natto.
Sounds really... I can't say it sounds good. It's not my favorite thing in the world, but Ruby loves it, Mommy loves it, and it's really fun to make. What do we need to make natto? Do you know where that is?
Soybeans.
Yeah, soybeans. And the other ingredient for natto is, oddly enough, natto. So we're gonna use natto to make natto. You could order natto spores, natto starter online if you want to, but this is readily available, inexpensive. So yeah, let's get started.
Let's get started!
Do your magic. We're gonna take these beans and put some Ruby magic on them. You're putting your magic into the soybeans?
I'm going to magic jar soybeans.
You're gonna magic my soybeans and turn it into magic natto?
Yeah.
Is magic natto better than regular natto?
Yeah.
Let's open it up. There we go. We'll save that for later, maybe. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take about 1/4 of this package and we're gonna stir it in.
Thank you for me.
And just stir it a lot until it breaks up and is distributed amongst all the beans. There you go. Make sure you stir it really good, okay?
That's good.
Do you like the smell?
If I don't have nose, I'll never smell again. If I do have nose, I do smell again.
Then we're going to take a little bit of the cooking water just because bacteria tends to like a humid environment to multiply. So just take a couple little spoons of that and then we'll keep on mixing. You want to help me mix again?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, there you go. We don't want it to slip and slide all over the table. Then the bacteria are going to party a little too much. Alright, looking good. Now we're going to take this out of the way and we're going to set up our amazake yogurt maker. So remember how we talked about natto, it's like a little bit stinky? So this little machine here, we like to use that for a lot of stuff, right? We can make amazake, we can make sour cream, we can make certain cheeses, we can make koji, lots of cool stuff. So we're going to take out this original container because we don't want the natto smell to be forever part of our lives in this machine.
That's so interesting.
Very interesting. And then we're just gonna grab any container that fits. We're just gonna put it all into...
Oh no.
We dropped one. That guy said, I don't want to join the party. I'm going to do my own thing.
That's a lot.
Pop the lid on. We don't need to seal it super tight. It's okay to leave it a little bit loose. And then we just drop it in there.
Why?
Because this box is super cool. What it's going to do is it's going to create a temperature that we want. So natto, the bacteria is having a party in there. And its favorite temperature to party at is between 40 and 50 Celsius. So we'll go right in the middle at about 45.
Yep.
So we just keep this lid on, and then we program this guy, so inside there is gonna be...
And we press the button. Yeah.
So what we do, first we set it to 45 degrees Celsius, and then we can set the time. I like to do natto for a full 24 hours. There we go. And then just press start. Away we go. So are we gonna stand here for 24 hours and wait for it to be done? Should we do that? Or should we go do other stuff?
Let's go to other stuff.
24 hours later. Hey there, you hungry?
Yeah.
What do you want to have?
Natto.
Do you want to have natto gohan?
Yeah.
That sounds really good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so.
Yeah.
You hungry? You
Yeah.
ready? I got rice. Now we're gonna put natto. You sure you want the white one, not the blue one? The white one. Okay.
That's mine.
So, that's yours. So we're gonna
That's special.
What's special? We're gonna put natto on top. Nice and slimy, eh?
Nice and slimy.
Do you like the slime?
I like slime.
So,
I guess that's to you too.
yeah, I'm gonna have some too. Just wait a sec. Maybe you want some green onions.
I don't want some.
Alright, do you need utensils to eat with? Maybe Mommy can grab something out of the drawer for us. Oh, thanks, Mommy. Ruby. I'm gonna put green onions on mine. There we go. Itadakimasu.
This look good, but I don't like it mixed up together.
You don't like it mixed up together? Alright, here we
I
go.
like to trade it.
Natto's not my favorite, but I really like our homemade one.
This is better than the one we bought.
Really?
Yeah.
Aw. I really agree with you.
Daddy?
Yeah, thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video. I'll say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. I'm going to be 4 years old in 2 weeks. In 5 years, I'm going to be 4 years old.
In 5 years, you're going to be 4 years old? So you're -1 now? How does that work? Do you have a time machine in your bedroom?
Yeah?
Okay, I'm going to go to the future. Bye. Alright, I'm back from the future. It's crazy.
Why?
I can't tell you. I'll spoil the surprise.
The germs are on my hand. We're going to put this head in a bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, now, are we going to eat?
Yeah, soon.
Boy?
How's your water? Is it super refreshing? Are you staying hydrated?
Mm-hmm.